was like, woo! Well, I didn't expect that happening. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Zara furniture haul. I'm very excited about this because if you don't know already, I like to shop and I like it even more when I don't have to pay for it. So I'm going to be giving you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come because this is furniture for a home that I'm currently redecorating. So without further ado, let's jump in and get opening these boxes. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this big box. This one, I know it is because like the image is on the side of it, but we're going to open up anyway and we'll have a look and see. See, I don't want to like rip like what's inside it. This is a lot more difficult than I had expected. Okay, nice one. Okay, we've got one box opened. Oh my god, okay, this is even nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, okay, I love this. I love this. Okay, let me put this in here so I can take the actual item out of the box. Okay, so I got this beautiful twine twine, what is it? Rattan. For some reason, I don't know why that name just like disappeared from my head because I've said it about 50 times today. But I got this beautiful rattan basket and I'm going to use this for like logs and stuff like by the fireplace. I think it's a really cute item and it just like works so well with everything else that's in the space. So this is item number one. This was €50. Well, it was $49.99, so I mean I'm just gonna say it's 50 because like let's just round up, shall we? But it's just such a nice size basket. I don't know if it's still available. I mean it's probably sold out at this stage because like it's so gorgeous. I love it so much, it's actually making me so happy. But this is item number one. Let's move on to the box with some more items in it. Okay, this box is like already on the floor, so it's easy to open. I'm not gonna lift it up onto my laps because I will end up squishing myself because there's so much in it. This is making me so excited. Like, oh, I love like, cause you know when you buy it online, you don't really know for certain that's gonna look as nice as you think in your head. So item number one is this beautiful throw blanket. I just love the color. It's so soft and like with everything else, like I just think it's perfect. This was, oh, there's no price on it. It wasn't €10. I can tell you that much right now. It was not €10. It's just like a chantilly kind of fabric. I got two of these. So where's the other one? Ba-bam! Two of them to go on the couch and my little rattan chair that you will be seeing in the final reveal because I'm not going to show you something that cool in a haul video. You're going to have to wait until the whole house is done so I can show you the whole thing together. And then you'll see the beautiful rattan chair that I got for this home. It's one of my favorite items I've ever seen in my life. But this is just a beautiful soft pink. It's almost like a blush, but it's not even pink. It's more of like a taupey color, which I really like. It's just natural colors. That's what I'm going for here, natural colors. So two of them. Then I got curtains. Now just ignore this one. I did open this up last night because I wanted to see what length it was and if it came. I thought they were joking with me when they said curtain. I just wanted to make sure that there's two curtains in each thing, but there's only one, so I mean I had to order another two. But so I got these curtains. Ugh. Lovely, they're so lovely. And like see this, like this, the rattan look and everything. It's just gonna look amazing. Like, and that's just simple facts about it. So I got two pairs of them. I actually got one pair and then one on its own because of the other wall, the door kind of opens up onto the window. So I decided to have one panel come down by the staircase. And then I got some bath mats. I just got two of these white bath mats. I just think they're simple. They have the tassels on them. They're like still have that coastal look without being like, you know, too stark. So it's got two of these. They're just simple. Like, I mean, honestly, bathrooms aren't the most exciting room in the house anyway. So just got them because none of the tiles or anything are changing in the bathroom because it's literally just styling it to sell. So they're just the two bath mats I got. Okay, what else is here? I think this is a photo frame. Oh yeah, because I wanted to add some like metallics as well, so it's not just like the natural fabric. So I added in this like beautiful, oh this is gorgeous, such a nice little frame. So I'm gonna do my own little artwork to go in here. As you can see, we're going with the color scheme. It's all looking good. So yeah, I really like this. It's just a simple little photo frame. I'm gonna put this on the mantelpiece with like a bigger print. I think it'll look really cool. So I got that. So this is a vase, and like I've had my eye on this vase for a hot minute now, and I finally get to use it. It's just, I think it's lovely, but like, I mean, images can be deceiving. So, oh, it is, it's so nice. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I'm actually jealous of the people who get to live in this house because they have such nice little furniture pieces. This is beautiful. You cannot say that this is not beautiful. Like, just look at it. Look at the detail. Imagine that with like some like, you know, eucalyptus shooting out of it, or some like, oh god, you could put like anything in here. And it's beautiful little echo as well if you want to sing. Oh, it's just lovely. Like, I love it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I'm just checking that the colors kind of go together, and they do, which is the most important thing. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, okay, I'm excited to see what this looks like. I honestly Oopsies. Oopsie daisies. Okay. I better pick my light back up before like it lights the whole house on fire. Well, I didn't expect that happening. Anyway, back to the haul. Now this one is very heavily wrapped, if I do say so myself. Like, it really is heavily wrapped. Okay, right, let's open this up and see. Oh, this is slotted out. That's very easy. Oh, this is so cool! So this is the mirror. This is so... Ooh, there's two of me. Oh, this is so artistic, isn't it? Imagine like filming like this the whole time. So this is my mirror. This is like, it's just like a different shaped one. Like, it's fairly cool. Like, it's not just like a square mirror. It has like a cool shape to it, which I really like, which was the big selling point to me. But yeah, it's really cool. That's the mirror. I know exactly where that's gonna go. Yeah. And it's gonna look amazing where it goes. And that's just facts. Good luck putting it back in there, James. Oh, okay, that was easy. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then the troublemaker himself back here. Okay, so this is a rug. I'm kind of curious to see what this looks like in person, to be honest. Because, I mean, it looked cool from the website. But I feel like I'm like, I don't know, sawn wood or something. I'm an interior designer. I shouldn't have to be doing this. This is too much manual labor for me. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my god, it's perfect. Okay. Oh. You know, I amaze myself sometimes. So this is the rug, if you can see that. I mean, I would take it all out completely, but like, I need to bring it to site in a couple of hours, so I don't want to like have it all mangled when I get there. So this is it. It has like tassels on it. This was, I think it was like 240-ish euro, I think. No, 176, I think it was 176 euro. But like, look at the tassel. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I love it. This is, I love it. 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 Yeah, I love it. Oh, I could just like look at it all day long. It's just my baby. I love it so much. Okay, right. Anyway, moving on. That's everything I got in Zara Home. I have a lot more pieces that have arrived, but I want to save some things for you for the reveal, so I'm not giving it all away now. and then I want something to be surprised because I don't want you to like kind of like see everything right now, because I want you to see it all in situ, like in situation, in thing. And also I will be doing a video on like, you know, tips for styling a home, because this is all I'm doing is styling this home. It's not like a massive renovation, it's styling it, but like it's so fun. Like I'm actually having like the best time ever. I mean, it has its moments. There's some stressful parts to this job, but like, you know, it's still very fun. And yeah, so let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece was. Mine, I think, is the vase. I love this vase so much. Like, honestly, if I could take it for myself, I could. But my favorite piece in the whole house, you haven't seen it yet. You haven't seen it yet, and there's only one left, and the company that I got it from just went bust, so there's no way of getting another one. So it's like a very rare piece, and I'm sad that it's going to be in this house and I'm not going to get to see it, but it's fine. My designs come first before me, so that's a little, I just love this as well. Oh, I love everything. I'm just getting too excited now just looking at everything. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I'm trying to get on schedule. I'm hoping maybe Tuesdays and Thursdays, but don't hold me to that. Like don't hold me to that. And I'll see you in the next one. There'll be a lot more of these hauls to come in the next coming months, because I have a lot of projects on at the moment that I'll be getting furniture for. So, you know, if you like these videos, there will be a lot more of them, because I know my last one was like months ago where I done a furniture haul. It was in January or something, but this will be like more consistent. So do hit that bell and subscribe so you know when they're posted, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.